Hi guys, this is LG Smart Technology Ideas. On this video, I will show you the function of this camera, the Xiaomi H265 1080p Smart Home IP Wireless Camera 360-degree Night Vision. As you remember, um, my last video from the same model of the Xiaomi 360-degree night vision camera, I showed you how to add the camera on the Mi Home app. I also showed you how to connect it on the internet. And now it's time to test the camera, the quality of the video, the settings and configuration of this camera. Of course, the sensitivity also, and brief reviews of this camera. So now let's start. Okay, let's go to the Mi Home app. So this is the Mi Home app. Now, as I mentioned to you on my first video, I have already the settings here on the Mi Home app. So it's already added the camera here on this app. So now let's check. That's the logo of this. Now and then go to the more options. So it's connecting. Okay. So now let's try to move the camera left and right. Okay. Yeah. So it works nicely. Okay. So left and right. So you can also check the quality of the video. It's really nice. It's really a 1080p camera. Let's check the settings this camera now. So here, so just tap this icon. So here now you can see the camera settings, home monitoring, manage storage, automation, share device, general settings, and the help if you have some questions. So let's go to the camera settings first. What we have on camera settings is the status light. So here in the status light, we can just off and on. Like for example, you want to on the status light, so maybe you can see the camera. So the blue light is there now. So if you see the camera, there's a blue light on it, and look, that's the status light. We can also put it off if we want. So look now. So the status light is off. So just for how you set up your camera. So the next one is data usage warning. It says only play the videos automatically when Wi-Fi is connected. So sleep settings. So you have also the option to put it on sleep, or you can just try to check the schedule sleep time. It's here, so you can add the schedule period here. So it depends how or what settings you want on that sleep setting. So I can just in my settings, I don't want to put it on the sleep mode. So next is image settings. Here on image settings, so you can also put a watermark. I'm sure the watermark of the date and time of the video. And then here the next one is the rotate image. This camera has an option that you can put it on the ceilings. And for that, you need to flip the video or the camera like this. So it's on the reverse camera, and the settings for the camera if you put it on the ceilings. Now the camera is on the table, it's just right position, so you can just put the camera on these settings. So what is the function of this is you can rotate and then yes. Okay, so for now it's done. So let's go to the other settings. So what we have is a night vision settings. You want the night vision auto on and off. It's better to put it on auto on and off. For example, it's just on the low light area, so it will automatically go to the night vision settings. Okay guys, now I am showing you the night mode function of this camera. So that is for the night mode settings. But because I put my settings on the automatic auto on and off, so if I open the lights here on the room, so let's see, let's check the image. Okay, yes, so what you can see now, the camera automatically going back to the normal mode. So that is for the normal mode and the night mode. So then the camera is still good. Let's go back. Okay, so that is all for the camera settings. Okay, look. So now we can go back. Home monitoring. Here on this settings, you can open on to monitor your home, or if you want to put the settings, monitoring time 24 hours or daytime or nighttime surveillance, and then you can also customize a schedule for your monitoring. So alert sensitivity, of course, if you want to put it high sensitivity, so it says detects motion from people or objects. Not a single movement will be missed. I think in a surveillance, or if you put it on home monitoring, you should put it high alert sensitivity. Also alarm interval. So we have here 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 30 minutes. So I put it my own on 5 minutes, so it's okay. Or if you want 3 minutes, so you can just put it there, or which settings do you want. So another one, detection push notifications. Of course, this is important. So if detected emotions, so it will push a notification on your phone, so you will be alert. So also post notification when movement is detected, also yes, for the if then the movement is detected, so it will also send you a notification on your mobile phone. So that's also very important because you are monitoring your home or any place that you want to monitor. One good thing of this camera that has a baby crying detection. So this is for your if you have a baby, if for example you are in the living room and the baby is sleeping on your bedroom, on the bed, on their bedroom, so if it detects crying, or when your baby's crying, so it will send you a notification. This is for the home monitoring. So let's go back here. So manage storage. So here now, this camera, you can put a SD card and it will store that recorded video not only in cloud storage, that I think it's in Xiaomi, it is 7 days cloud storage, so it's free. Now, if you want also a backup record, so you can put 32 gigabytes or maybe 62 gigabytes of on my other camera. I put 32 gigabytes, same storage. Also, you can put it as on a network storage. So if you have a network storage device, so you can also attach or connect it there. Recorded video is saved on that network storage, on your network storage. So um, these things is important. For example, you don't have internet at the time, so you have a backup record on the SD card. So that is important. Um, okay, let's go back. So now automation, and the automation, yeah, I think if you want to add automation on it, it's something like IFTT. So if you have other Xiaomi sensors, like the door sensors, or window or door sensors, you can connect it here, and then if the door open or close, it will. I think this is the same as the Dapang um, camera, that it will track the movement going to the door. So it will focus the door when it opens or close. It depends on how configuration you put it on your automation. Okay, so let's go back. So now share device also, so you can share if somebody on your family has a me account, or share via WeChat, share with family. So in the general settings, so you can put a device name, manage location, firmware updates. So let's check also this more settings, security settings. So and you can put your you can turn on the password or change the password, network info, time zone, then report an issue, add home screen shortcut. Okay, so that's all for the settings. So now guys, we can also check the settings. Let's go here, the move tracking. So another I think special functions, this is a move tracking, that the camera follows the motion if it's detected. So let's check this settings. Okay, we can put it on. Yeah, so now let's check if there's a movement. Yeah, it's really tracks the movement. Okay, so nice. If there's a movement, so it detects you and also track the movement.